Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my viewers and subscribers. Wagwan. I hope you guys are doing good and I hope you guys are doing well. Anyway, there's a few things me go talk about today, but first me go kick it off with Fitz Bailey. So, uno one say Fitz Bailey run out. The Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of crime, Fitz Bailey, is calling on legislators to amend the country's financial laws to better tackle bank fraud. I don't know how long me wait for one of them to come out and talk about this. I don't know how long me wait. The only person that always I pick up for the customer them and depend on the customer them side is Fitz Jackson. The only person who talk about it in a House of Parliament is Fitz Jackson. So when me see Fitz Bailey come out now, and I talk about this, me like when come out and I talk about it because really and truly a lot of people lose money. A lot of people money missing from their account, my wisdom warriors. And then I get back their money all now. Some people they say get locked up. Some people. You understand? But what happened to the rest? And not even that. Remember, so the bank them insure. So how comes the customer they not get back their money? The customer them forget back their money. And when you look, NCB I celebrate. That one they over there celebrate. The whole of them are celebrate. And I remember nothing about them customer. So Fitz Bailey, I'm glad they run out and talk about the legislator them. They need to amend because every day Julian and Julian amend things for fit around for them favor and then I remember nothing about the financial laws. Yes, then I remember nothing. I wonder why them not remember nothing about this. And they not go change it, They not go change it. Uno watch out, uno look. Remember me tell you, they not change this year because they must know how comes people money are go missing and now the people they can't get back their money. I first me ever see this. And Fitz Jackson always in a House of Parliament a motion it and none of them say nothing. And Nigel Clark yesterday we call himself finance minister. I know that the man they not say nothing about it. The man they not say nothing about it. This is why I want to open up on the ear, because this is not a JLP and a PNP thing, Me want to open up on the ear, because me know see a JLP and PNP money missing from my account. And you know see Nigel Clark now say nothing about it. You know see that? Say Nigel Clark now say nothing. Andrew Holness worse. They not say nothing because guess what? Because the people them forget back their money, so it is a problem. They don't want to give back the people them their money. Yeah, and nobody is fighting it. Only Fitz Jackson in a House of Parliament. And now, see Fitz Bailey run out and now the Deputy Commissioner of Police see him run out right now. And he's calling on the legislators to amend the country's financial laws. I hope them listen. I hope Mrs. Constitution I hear all these things. DCP Bailey made the call while addressing Parliament Economy and Production Committee on Wednesday. Yes, DCP, me like how you stand up. And you talk. A full time if you talk. A full time, where have you been? Over the years, people money. Why you don't think I know people money? I just through social media. We know these things. But years, people money are gonna miss. You hear me? Years. My wisdom warriors, hear this. Fitz Bailey says fraudsters have stolen 306 million from customers of several local financial institutions in over 3 years. For the period 2021 to 2024, there were 601 reports of electronic fraud offenses carried out against customers. At the same time, the police are reporting that 127 persons have been arrested for the crimes over the period under review. My viewers and subscribers, wanna hear them something there? Wanna hear what go on? Over 306 million stolen from customer from 2021 to 2024. Wanna hear that there? Wanna hear that? And if Fitz Bailey never run out and say nothing, we wouldn't know what go on. We would even know this. So me glad out Fitz Bailey come out. If you tell you the truth, cause I never know this here. I true him come out and talk about this. This is why me learn about this right now. You understand? This needs to stop. And Nigel Clark know about this, and and remember I'm a finance minister. He have to know about this. And this a man then he come out and read out budget, he come out and hype and show a red card, and I'll know we not hear him a show a red card pan this here. You understand? I'll know we not show a red card pan this, my viewers and subscribers. It is very sad. It is a sad situation when customer money missing and customer can't get back their money. Then can't get back their money, and when they look the bank, them a celebrate. Anyway, wanna tell me what you think about this. Opposition spokesman on finance Julian Robinson is questioning whether the 25 billion in givebacks announced by Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark in March are sustainable in light of the revenue underperformance in the last fiscal year. My viewers and subscribers, when you hear Robinson is questioning the sustainability of government givebacks amid revenue underperformance. Listen now, Julian Robinson, there is no money. There is no money. Nigel Clark pocket the blasted money, and then take the money and fling it all about and move it all about, because guess what? The procurement I save them. The procurement I block them from make we the people know what them I do with taxpayer money. You understand me? And when the integrity commission fi come out and highlight all these things, who are thief taxpayer money, I'll know me not hear them I say nothing. PSOJ them a one next one. G2000 them worse. Them quiet like a lamb. Pure foolishness them a go on with. You understand me? At this one if you come out and address. At this PSOJ, at this if you come out and address. Them are sitting here. When Nigel Clark a go on with come out and hide pan budget and not even know of a mad sort budget. You don't know of a mad sort budget and come and hide pan budget and don't know of a mad sort budget. You know if you go man, the whole lot of you go and stop thief up taxpayer money. That's all you know do. That's all you know do. Seriously, man. A promise is a comfort to a fool. I hope the Jamaican people then see what go on. I hope me tell you, say when they come out and run after them out and I hype. Don't listen to the nice. Don't listen to them. I just hype them a hype. You understand? Hype them a hype. That's it. Trick them a trick, you know. Trick and confuse the Jamaican people them. Uno say so the teachers they not get nothing. Uno say so the nurses and the civil servant them a come out and say they not get no 20,000. I be a lie, Nigel Clark and Andrew Onlestel. And look how much money them have. What them a do with the money? What them a do with Jamaican taxpayer money? That me want to know. What I do with the people them money? What I do with it, and then you not come chat about you not have no money shortfall, right in and brought it all pocket shortfall.
Minister, how is the government planning on responding to the recent Dan Anderson poll, which showed that most Jamaicans would vote them out of government, out of office rather, if an election were to be called now? And
I'll answer the first ones. The first thing I wish to say and the last thing I wish to say is that wasn't discussed at cabinet, so I have no comment on that.
My wisdom warriors, you see when Nesta Morgan share do, you see when send out boy I do, I sidestep the question, you know. Answer no one answer the question. And make a damn fool out of himself by not answering the question. Oh, you mean it wasn't discussed at cabinet? So everything have to discuss in a cabinet before you answer a question out the road. Oh no, I want this here. I really don't about them, you know. Me say them a real idiot, a real dunce about them. Literally, he know what he's doing. He doesn't want to answer the question. So him a sidestep a question, my wisdom warriors. That's all he is doing, just because he don't want to talk about it. Other day, when time them a lead pan the Anderson poll, hey, ratted all one piece of something all over social media. And look now, true, because my golden take over, now them a say it not real. But when it was going in their favor, everything was okay. Wanna see when me tell you about them dirty labor right here. Wanna see when me always come out and tell you about them. Them not easy. Nesta Morgan, you know see a sidestep the question, because how can you come? You are a minister. You are part of the government. You work within offices also. So how comes? True, because you never discuss at the cabinet. Yeah, that's why you can't talk about it. Are real mad people them here. Them people are dunce bat. Them people are not supposed to do this. So me no know. I must links make them reach this. So have feelings. Come in and understand. Me no understand my viewers and subscribers. He is very rude. Where I put on this fake smile on his face. You see where I smile. You see that the smile there, and that thing everybody. You know see that the smile there. Hey, laugh him a laugh. Laugh him a laugh, because he doesn't want to talk about the poll. So true, him no want to say he doesn't want to discuss it. No, he must say they never have meeting about it in a cabinet. It wasn't discussed in cabinet, so he can't talk about it. You know, sister, this a man, a madman. My viewers and subscribers, hear more.
Or do you accept any responsibility as information minister in what some described as the failure of the government to adequately communicate its achievements?
I don't understand your question.
Well,
the information minister's duty is to transfer information from cabinet to the country, which I do here every Wednesday and which you're a part. Additionally, to manage agencies such as Jamaica Information Service from an oversight policy perspective, PBCJ, Jamaica Information Service, and so on. The assessment of my performance or lack thereof is determined by the Prime Minister's actions and decisions. So I can't comment on my own performance. I have to wait on Prime Minister, the Cabinet, and the public to comment on that.
My wisdom warriors, una hear Nesta Morgan, una hear Andrew send out boy, He can comment on his own performance. I first me if them people I wanna have a lead with somebody that cannot comment on his own performance. A lead Jamaican people. Una no see say them people are dunce bat. Them a people are dunce bat. This a man you know cannot comment on his own performance, or we believe him a perform. Him have to leave it up until I really send out boy this, you know. My viewers and subscribers. He can do better. Yes, it's true, used to the send out boy, being a send out boy for so long. It just gone in our DNA. You understand me? This is why he cannot comment on his own performance. A joke of business this, and at them people here, we cannot comment on their own performance and lead Jamaican people. Uno no say I lead them, I lead Jamaican people astray. Uno no say I lead them, I lead Jamaican people astray. Mighty God, me can't believe this here. Just because he must sidesteps question. This is a question where you're supposed to answer. This is a question that you're supposed to answer. Comment on the way how you perform. And that you need to do. Comment on the way how you perform, but you're not doing that. You're not doing that. You understand? You see, Uno really done spot, you know. Uno really done spot. But my wisdom warriors, as I said, we can't even expect better, because it's true, he has been a send-out boy for so long. In a DNA, in a left foot from the right foot. My wisdom warrior, hear this now. Me tell you no what go on. They come up with a strategy. When they're out in the public, they have to be very careful what they say. And that Andrew always tell them, you know, let me tell you now, una go see, I know him alone I go do it. Una go see a lot more ministers coming out. When they been asked question, them now go comment. It is a strategy them have right now. Because guess what? When them come out and chat rubbish, and the bloggers they run with it, and they all over social media, it burn them, and it affect them, and it hurt their heart. So it is a strategy for them now. Because remember, you know, me telling you, so they change the way how them do things right now. Right now, them change the way how them do things. So yeah, I go see enough more come out, and when they've been asked question, they now go answer it. Them have to wait for Andrew Wellness. Them have to wait for cabinet. I first me ever hear this year. So guess what? They have to be very careful what they said. If them not sure what them are gonna talk about, yeah, are they feel like it are gonna affect the party in some way? This is why them sidestep the question. It's a new strategy them have up right now. But wanna tell me one thing and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome on a big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.